Good morning, students. This is Shivas Patil, and today we are going to discuss about the problems based on a periodic function. And this is Shivas Patil, and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. Okay, students. In previous class, we have discussed the period. Period means it gives the same as different radians angles. Okay, so 2 pi, 3 pi, something else. Okay, so only except tangent and cotangent theta. X plus pi. The period of tangent and cotangent is pi radians, and the remaining angles have 2 pi radians. The remaining is sine, cos, sec, and cosec. X plus 2 pi is equal to x is respect sine, cos, sec, and cosec x. Only tan and cotangent of the pi period, and remaining trigonometric functions have period of 2 pi. Based on these formulas, also the domain and range, domain and range of sine and cosine, cosec. Sine and cosec is domain is R, range is -1 to +1. You should write this one. For cos and secant, okay sir. Cos and secant is, cos is, this is cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos, okay, multiples of, okay sir. Even cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. This is not defined. Okay, cos and sec have, this is, okay sir. This is the sine and cos. Okay sir. This is tan and secant. Okay sir. Tan and secant. Okay, because see here 1 by cos pi by 2 is not defined. Similarly 1 by cos, okay sir, sin by cos, tan, which wherever cos theta becomes denominator, that is not defined. So here cos and secant, in cos theta and secant theta, tan theta and secant theta, cos is in denominator. That's why the domain is R minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is corresponding, range is, what is the range? What is the range is here? Tan, okay sir, 90 is not defined, huh? Tan 90 is not defined. Range have, what is the range of the tan theta? Okay. Tan gives a real number, okay sir. Tan x gives a real number here. Range, secant gives, secant theta gives a real number except -1. Okay, I have studied now already. Okay, -1 is less than or equal to a is less than or equal to 1, and okay sir, -1 by a is less than or equal to 1, and 1 is less than or equal to 1 by a. Okay sir, this is minus sec theta na, sec x less than or equal to 1 or 1 is less than or equal to sec x. So sec x is greater than minus 1. Changing this side, change the values. So sec x is greater than or equal to 1. This you can write. Sec x is minus 1 greater than or equal to minus 1 and sec x is greater than or equal to plus 1. This you can write. Sec x belongs to r minus 1 and minus 1. Is it? The 1 value and minus 1 value not included. If you want to give the option. Okay, sorry. Sec x is the value minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, the value greater than minus 1 and value less than minus greater than minus 1 and greater than 1. Is it? Similarly, tan and sec, then cot and secant theta, cot and cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. The domain becomes here r minus n pi. Because sin pi is equal to 0 means sin n pi is equal to 0, the period. So therefore the denominator has the cosec sin theta and here also sin theta. Similarly, the range for cot theta, cot x, range will be any value. For cosecant theta as x, the range would be similarly minus 1 to 1. The exact value range from minus 1 to 1, it will be given the range. This is the brief introduction. Let's solve the examples based on these parameters. First question is question number 1. Show that minus 10 pi by 3 minus 10 pi by 3, which of these 6 trigonometric functions are positive for x is equal to, which of the 6 trigonometric functions are positive for this value. The given x is equal to minus 10 pi by 3. You have to show the which of the 6 trigonometric functions are positive for this negative value. Means you have to show the which quadrant this angle belongs to. Which quadrant this angle belongs to, then you can easily describe the period, the quadrant. So let us check here. The positive value I am writing here. So x is equal to minus 10 pi divided by 3. This I am writing together. Minus 12 plus 2 into pi divided by 3. So this becomes minus 4 pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Let us say this is the 2 pi, this is the not 3, this is the 4 pi, this is the period. So it gives same value for any values. Therefore we have the got so 2 pi x is equal to, the positive value is x is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3, because this is the period. Okay sir, period you can write minus 4 pi is equal to 2 into minus 2 into 2 pi. So 2 pi is the period of the all functions. Okay. To say this is equal to, okay sir. So now the quadrant 2 into 180 by 3. 3 ones are 360. This becomes 120 degree. So now the which quadrant it belongs to. Okay, sir. Therefore, the quadrants are the first, second, third and fourth. All are positive. Only sine and cosec are positive. Only tan and cotangent are positive. Only cos and sec are positive. They are given here. Which of the six trigonometric functions have positive values in this quadrant? So obviously this belongs to 120 is 90 plus 30. So obviously this belongs to second quadrant. So this is 120 degree. So therefore sine and sine 120 or cosec 120 have positive values. Okay, positive values. Okay, sir. Next question is if cos x is equal to minus 3 over 5 and x lies in the third quadrant. Okay, and x lies in the third quadrant. Okay, then find the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions of x. Okay, then find the other values of the trigonometric function. Okay, they are given cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Exactly they are given in this manner. This is minus sign. This is okay. If cos x is equal to 3 over 5, next belongs to third quadrant. We have to show it. We have to show the all remaining 5 functions. Solution is like that. Okay. There are 2-3 methods. One method you can only by function you can do it. Okay. The cos x is equal to 3 by 5, then sec x is equal to minus 5 by 3. One function. Okay. We know the sign is, then the value is sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So what is the cos square x is equal to? Okay, sir. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square means minus 3 by 5 whole square. This becomes minus 1. Okay, sir. Minus 9 by 25. This becomes 25 by 9. 25 by 25 minus 9 by 25. This becomes 16 by 16 by 25. Therefore sine square x is equal to 16 by 25. Therefore sin x is equal to plus or minus 4 over 5. Is it? Okay. Sin is equal to 4 or 5. But in third quadrant, okay, in third quadrant, you know ASTC, only tan is positive. Okay, so sign is negative. For third quadrant, sign is negative. Therefore, sin x is equal to minus 4 over 5. Then tan theta is equal to, okay sir. Then tan is equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 5. This is equal to minus 4 by 5 into minus 5 by 3. This cancel. Minus becomes positive 4 by 3. Similarly, for cotangent, cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. This is minus 3 by 5. This is minus 4 by 5. This becomes minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 4. 5 will cancel. Minus to minus plus. This becomes 3 by 4. Okay. They have the sine and cosine. Sine and sec. Then cosine. Okay, sir. Cosec is cosecant. X is equal to 1 by sine. 1 by sin x is equal to minus 1 by minus 4 by 5, and this becomes minus 4 by 5 by 4. All trigonometric function. Okay. Instead of this also, cot x minus 5 by 4. Yes. Here also, in the diagram also you can take it. The third quadrant. Okay. All are positive, only sin is positive, tan is positive, and cos is positive. Okay, sir. In third quadrant, you can take, this is the line, okay sir. This is the x. See what they given? Cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Is it sir? Minus 3 by 5. So this becomes cos x minus 3, this becomes 5. Okay sir, then hypotenuse also in a positive absolute value. So this becomes the Pythagoras theorem. 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9. This becomes 16. This becomes plus or minus 4. So sin is negative in this quadrant. Okay sir, in third quadrant sin is negative. Therefore, this is minus 4. If you got this one, you can take the, okay sir, cot is 3 by 4, tan is 4 by 3, cosecant is, sin is 4 by 5, cosecant is 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4. This is also direct method in simple exam. And this is also by a formula method. Okay. Next question is, let's see. Next question is, okay students, next question is, if cos x is equal to minus 2 by 3, if cos x, cosine of x is equal to minus 2 by 3, and the range of x is, they given pi is less than x is less than 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Find the value of, find the value of 4 tan square x plus minus 5 cosecant square x. Find the value of 5 tan square x and minus cosecant square x. They given only cos x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, sir. From there, I have to find the sin x. Okay, sir. I have to find the first sin x. because you don't know the relation between cos x and tan x at this junction, this point. Okay, next you can also learn here. Cos x is equal to solution cos x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So what is sin x? Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos secant square x. This is 1 minus 1 by 4 by 9. This becomes 9 minus 4 by 9. Is it? This becomes 5 by 9. This becomes plus or minus sin x becomes plus or minus root 5 by 3. Is it? The value is root 5 by 3. And the condition given is, see, this is the pi by, pi is range between pi minus means it is the third quadrant, second quadrant. Pi less than x and 3x is less than 30. Okay, 3 into 180 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 the 3 6 the 6 into 3 180. Right? 2 ones are 290. This is 90, 270. 270. This means the pi between pi and 3 pi by 2 means 270. 180 minus 270. This is the, to get the clarification, 180 to 270 means third quadrant. Okay, third quadrant. In third quadrant, A, S, T, C. Okay, in third quadrant here, sin is negative, sin is minus. Here sin becomes minus root 5 by 3. Therefore, see, we got this sin and cosine. Okay, sir, sin x becomes minus root 5 by 3. So then put the values here, you can get it. What is the value? 4 tan square x. 4 tan square x minus 5 cosecant square x is equal to 4 into, this is the sin by sin x by cos x whole square minus 5 into 1 by sin of x whole square. This becomes 4 into, what is sin? Sin is 5 by 9 into, I am taking 3 minus is minus becomes 9 by 4. I am diagrating. Okay, 3 by 4 minus 5 into, this is the 5 by 9. This becomes 9 over 5. Is it? This becomes 4, 4 get cancelled, 5, 5 get cancelled, 9, 9 get cancelled, 5 minus 9, is it? This becomes minus 4. Yes. Answer is minus 4. Therefore, 4 tan square x minus 5 cosecant square x is equal to minus 4. The next class we have the relation between tan square x and cos square x. Similarly, here you can write, this can be done. This we have to see in another method is a third quadrant they given na. Third quadrant again. This is the third quadrant. Okay, sir. Only tan and cotan are positive. This becomes, what is the cos? This is minus 2. This is 3. So what is the value of this one is equal to? Okay, sir. 3 square minus 2 square. because 9 minus 4, this is 5. So this becomes plus or minus 5 root 5. In third quadrant, sign is negative. So therefore here the value of sin x is equal to minus root 5 by 3. In this method also we can take triangle, the right angle triangle or Pythagoras theorem. Or in formula method also you can do it. Next question is I randomly taking the questions based on the some different questions I am taking. Not the same question they are following. In a different type of questions, I will take the 1 or 2 questions at max to save the time and to proceed to the next class also. The next question is, if sec x plus tan x is equal to p, obtain the values of sin x, tan x, sec x in terms of p. My handwriting is only understands to me. I think so. Okay, sir. Even though I have tried if sec x plus tan of x is equal to p, then obtain the values of sec x, tan x and sin x in terms of p. First question is there. I think so. Solution is a given condition. Secant x plus tan of x is equal to p. Okay, you should write all the functions in terms of p only. Next, as of 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. This is our formula. So what does it mean? It means secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. This is 1. Okay. So this you can write sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x is equal to 1. You can write, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus of b into a minus of b. So this is the given p. Therefore sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 over p. Okay, this is 1 and this is equation 2. To get the terms, just add the 1 and 2. Okay, sir. Add equation 1 and equation 2. We get tan get cancelled. 2 sec x is equal to p plus 1 by p. Okay, sir. This is equal to p square plus 1 over p, and sec x is equal to, okay sir, sec x is equal to 2, okay, 1 by 2 p, na? P square plus 1 over 2 p for adding. Okay sir. Subtract 1 from 2. Okay. Subtract equation 1 from 2. This is the concept, okay sir. Subtract 1 from 2 means, subtract 1 from 2 means equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtraction 2 from 1 means equation 1 minus 2. Okay, sir. Subtract 2 minus 4 from 4 means what will you, sir? Subtract 2 from 4. Subtract 2 from 4 means what you will take? You will take minus 2. Subtract 4 minus from 2 means you will write 2 minus 4. Subtract 4 from 2. This is the subtract 2 from 4. Okay. This is sec x minus tan x. Okay. This automatically becomes for your convenience I am writing this becomes sec x plus tan x. Okay. This becomes sec x cancel minus tan x is equal to corresponding 2 minus 1 p square. Okay, this is 1 by p minus p, is it? So this becomes minus 2 tan x is equal to this is 1 minus p square divided by p. This becomes tan x becomes again p square minus 1 divided by 2p. Okay, this becomes p square plus 1 divided by 2p, and this becomes p square minus 1 divided by 2p. Then what we should do? Take the values of find the values of sin x. Sin x na? Sin x is equal to, you can write tan x is equal to p square minus 1 divided by 2p. Okay, this is sin square sin x. Okay, not sin square, sin x divided by cos x is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. So this is equal to sin x into sec x is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Sin x into, what is the p? P square plus 1 divided by 2p is equal to p square minus 1 divided by 2p that cancel. Sin x is equal to p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. First solution is. Second, they given if fit p is equal to 4. Okay, that is okay, easy. Then just put the p is equal to 4 in that equation, will get the positive value and it belongs to the ASTC rule. Okay, first quadrant. Next question is. Next question is, find the values of tan 19 pi by 3 and cosecant minus 19 pi by 3. Okay, sir. This is only easiest only, but I am telling why. How should we take the angles, near periods? Just only, sir. Instead of making nice, okay. Tan 19 pi by 3. Okay, sir. This we can write. This you can write tan. See, consider denominator. Take the multiples of 3 in even number. Even number, because the tan is the range of pi, period of pi. So this becomes pi and 2 pi. This becomes, I am considering this is 18 plus pi. Okay, 18 pi plus 1 pi divided by 3. This becomes tan of 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 pi plus pi by 3. So tan period, okay sir, this becomes tan of pi by 3 because tan of, okay sir, x plus n pi, 2n pi na, 2n pi is equal to tan x. Therefore 6 pi is equal to 2 into 3 pi. Okay, what is the tan pi value? Okay, sir. Pi by 3 means this is the 0, this is the sine, this is the cos, the 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay sir, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, divided by 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 4, take square root, take square root, take square root, square root, square root. Therefore sine values is equal to 0. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1, and this is 0, this is pi by 6, this is pi by 4, this is pi by 3, this is pi by 2. Then value for cos is equal to 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So what is the tan pi by 3? Tan pi by 3 means root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 get cancelled, root 3. Tan pi by 3. So this is root 3. Similarly, for the cos minus, cos cosecant minus 19 plus 5 by 3. Okay sir, this is 19 pi by 3. Again I take the positive value, then I will take the next even value in 19. Okay sir. Anyway, sine and, okay sir, sine of x plus n pi is equal to x. So you can take any values. So this is, okay sir, this becomes cosecant of, okay sir, 21 pi minus 21 pi by plus 2 pi by which one? 3. Is it? This becomes, okay sir, plus or minus cosecant minus 7 pi plus 2 pi by 3. So this becomes cosecant of 2 pi by 3. What is the value of 2 pi by 3? 2 into 180 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 6 are. This is 120. Okay sir. What is the value of 120? Is it 2 by 3 cos? Okay, that is the mistake sir I have done. They taken like that. This is the cos x. Okay sir, sine of minus x is equal to minus sin x. In that format they have taken. So what the wrong with this one? 7 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Plus or minus 2 pi by 3 cos 120. Okay. So students, this assumption is wrong. I think so. because it's not yielding our required value. Minus 21 plus 3, so this is something is there. What is it? Sign is positive. The value of 2 pi by 3. Actually, we not encountered this function at this stage. Next stage you can write. Okay, sir. Sin 20. Okay, sir. Sin 120 is equal to, you can write sin 90 plus 30. Okay, sir. This becomes, okay, sir, cos 30. The formula is there, but here we are not okay, sir, taught this one. Okay, I am not taught this one in this section, so this method is not valued here. So what is that given in book is cosecant of minus 19 pi by 3 is equal to, okay, okay, this becomes minus cosecant of 19 pi by 3, because cosec of minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. So then it becomes, okay, minus cosecant of, or 19 plus 3, okay, we can write 18 pi plus pi by 3. So this becomes, okay, 6 pi plus pi by 3. So this is the period function. So it get become 0. So minus cosecant pi by 3. What is the pi by 3? Pi by 3 is root 3 by for sine. So for cosine this becomes 1 by sin x minus is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay. Cosecant of minus 19 pi by is 2 by root 3. Next question is, next question is, okay, next question is, find the domain and the range of the following function. Find the domain and range of the following function. Okay, sir. First one is f of x is equal to sin of x, and f of x is equal to 1. Second is 1 minus, okay, sir, 1 minus 2 cos x, greatest integer function. Okay, sir. This symbol is greatest integer function. Yeah. See, the whole history of mathematics and the future of mathematics, the pure mathematics, the sets theory, okay, sir, the functions, okay, sir, the functions, these are very, okay, sir, the most potential questions for the research development, also for the applied mathematics also. Okay, sir. These questions in JEE and advanced and any other computer exams in board also, the questions based on these types, range, domain, okay, sir, the feature of these questions will ask oftenly. So this is the how to find the range and domain of the function here. This is the, so okay, sir, before going to start this one, this is called greatest integer function. Okay, this is called the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. integer function, integer. And this is the definition is equal to less than or equal to x. Okay. This is the function, this is the integer. Okay. The greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay. This means if 1 I taken plus 1 I taken, this is equal to 1. If I taken 1 plus 1.11 I taken, this becomes also 1. If I taken 0.999 I taken, this becomes less than or equal to 1. This becomes 0. Okay. Similarly, 0.5 this becomes 0. Similarly, 0.001 this becomes 0. So 0 becomes 0. Here minus 0.001 becomes minus 1. Yeah. Because minus 1 is less than or equal to 0.001. Because minus 1 is not less than or equal to less than 0.00 minus 0.001. Similarly, minus 0.0099 is equal to minus 1. So in definition we can write x is equal to k such that if k is less than or equal to x, x is less than k plus 1 any value. Okay. Similarly, let us think about this one. Okay, the sin of x. Sin of x. Greatest integer function. Let us take the sin of x. Okay. What they given here? The function, the range of the function is okay. The range of the this is the comma. Minus 1 is for sin of x. By that, minus 1 is less than or equal to sin x, by sin x less than or equal to plus 1. Means between minus 1 have only 3 integers. It will see minus 1, 0 and 1 have the only 3 integer numbers. This is called integer value only. Integer value means for any range we should consider the only integer values. So in between these only we have one value. So therefore the range is equal to, very important, range is equal to this given range is equal to range of sin f is equal to minus 1, 0 for y, for domain of f belongs to R. For any value of R, the greatest integer function of sin x gives minus 1, 0, 1 for any value of R, for any value of domain R. For this one, next one is next one is 1 minus 2 cos x. Okay, sir. That I am taking only cos x. See how I will derive the 1 minus 2x is equal to. Our condition is minus 1 is less than or equal to cos x, less than or equal to plus 1. By adding, by some doing mathematical operation, I will derive it. So this equal to multiplying by minus 2 on both sides, because to get the 2 cos x, 2 cos of x is equal to 2. Okay, sir. Again, there is a minus sign. By multiplying the minus on both sides. Okay, sir. This becomes 2, becomes minus 2, cos x becomes to minus 2. Okay, sir. I want 1, so I will adding 1 plus 2 equal to minus 2. So, okay, sir. 1 minus 2 cos of becomes, okay, sir, 1 minus 2. So this becomes 3 is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equal to minus 1. Okay, sir. Understood? 3 is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x, which is less than minus 1. Means we have the values from minus 1 to plus 3 for this function. We have the values. The range of this function is minus 1 to 3, minus 1 to the 3. Therefore, the range of f is function, range of f is equal to 1 minus 2 cos x gives the value only minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Integer values of the integer values in the range of minus 1 to 3 is, okay, only minus we can write 0, we can write 1, we can write 3 and we can write because it is a closed bracket. Okay, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is circle they given. This is the, okay, sir. Here they given in book, they given minus 1 is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x is less than or equal to 3. What I am write here? 3 is less than, okay, sir. 1 minus x is, okay, sir. 3 is greater than 1 minus 2 cos x. It's the difference, both are same or difference. 3 is less than 1 minus 2x, and 1 minus 2x is less than minus 1, or minus 1 is less than 1 minus 2x, and 1 minus 2x is less than 3. Is okay. If you don't understand, then change the terms also. But this is the important packet. Here should not get any confusion or anything else. If this is not true, then again minus 1 is less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. Let's take the minus 2 in left side. Okay, changing the sign, it becomes, okay, plus 1 is greater than or equal to cos x, which is the greater than or equal to minus 1. Yeah. Then what do you want? We want 2x. 2 is greater than or equal to 2 cos x and is greater than or equal to minus 2. Then what we have to take minus. Minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2 cos x, and which is greater than or equal to plus 2. We want 1 minus 2 is greater than or equal to, okay, okay, 1 minus 2 cos x is greater than or equal to 3. So this becomes minus 1 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x greater than or equal to 3. So here 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equal to minus 1. Here we can write minus 1 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x. Okay. If 2 is less than 3, then you can write 3 is greater than 2. Yeah. 3. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3. See, we have to clarify the situation. My method here. Yeah. So here, size of changes. This should not make the ambiguous. Let's change up to here. See, is 1 is less than 2. We apply the change minus sign. Minus 1 is becomes greater than minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 is greater than minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Apply the change. Okay. Then minus 2 is less than 2 cos x is equal to less than 2 multiplying. Multiplying by the minus 1. So this becomes minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 2 cos x, which is greater than or equal to minus 2. Then what we want, I have to add 1. Is it 1? So add 1 become 1 plus 2 become greater than 1 minus 2 cos x becomes 1 minus 2. So 3 becomes greater than or equal to, is it the method? Yeah. Again I am making some mistakes here. So here I am changing this sign. See, minus 2 is become less than or equal to minus 2 cos x, which will become less than 2. Changing the signs. This minus becomes this side and this side 2 goes to the side. It is like that. Okay, sir. 2 is greater than minus 1. Then you can write minus 1 is less than 2. Yes. So then add 1. 1 minus 2 cos x is less than or equal to 1 plus 2. This becomes minus 1 is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equal to 3. This is the value. Minus 1 is less than 1 minus 2x is and less than 3. It is up to you, students. My concept is only without changing the sign. Okay. Now, this is the according to the case, left and right becomes. Anyway, minus 1 is okay, sir. So the value is 1 minus 2 cos of x is equal to, okay sir, between the -1, 0, +1, 2 and 3. The range of the given functions. Okay sir, next is again find the domain of the function. Again find the, okay sir, next question is find the domain of the function. What the function is? F of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus cos of x. This is the one beginning only. In next classes, in second PUC, have the lot of things to do with this domain and range. For the domain, okay sir, see, this is the square root of 1 minus cos of x should not be equal to, okay sir, should not be equal to 1 by 0, because 1 by 0 is not defined. This means square root of 1 minus cos of x not equal to 0. Is it sir? Not equal to 0. This means 1 minus cos of x not equal to 0. So this cos of x not equal to 1. What is the value of cos of x equal to 0 sir? The cos of, okay sir, cos of, okay sir, 2 pi n. Cos of 0 is equal to 1. Cos of 2 pi is equal to 1. Cos of 4 pi is equal to 1. Therefore, for 0, 2 pi, 4 pi up to the cos value is not defined. Okay, sir. Therefore, range and domain becomes not a range. Domain, the input value. Okay, sir. That it, okay, sir. The range becomes all value of is equal to becomes all value except, okay sir, except 0, okay, we write na, to n pi, which n belongs to I. Is it? Yeah. See, find domain and range of the function here. See, to domain is, okay sir, domain of sin x. Domain of sin x is belongs to R. Put the any values of R here. You can put the 0. You can put, okay sir, you can put -1, 0 and plus 1. You get the some positive value. Okay, sir. You will get some real values. So you can put the, you can again get the real number. So domain of the sin x is equal to R. So let's see the range. Okay sir, the range is, so okay sir, -1 is less than or equal to sin x. Sin x is less than or equal to 1. So what we have here, 3. Okay sir, -3 is less than or equal to 3. Sin x less than or equal to 3, multiplying. Again adding 4. Okay sir, 4 minus 3 is less than or equal to 4 plus 3. Okay, this is the sin x less than or equal to 4 plus 3. So this becomes, okay sir, 1 is less than or equal to 4 plus 3 sin x. Sin x is less than equal to 7. Okay, we want reciprocal na, take reciprocal. Again 1 by 1 becomes 1 by 4 plus 3 sin x is less than or equal to 1 by 7. This is the most confusing area. It's less than 7 now. So this becomes greater than. Yes, this becomes greater than. This becomes greater than, because negative 2 is less than 3. So then 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Yes, then the applies. If take the square root, okay sir, square root, taking square root becomes 1 by square root of 4 plus 3 sin x is greater than or equal to 1 by root 7. Okay. 1 is greater than or equal to root 4 plus 3 sin x greater than or equal to 1 by root 7. Therefore, range of the function is equal to this 1 by, okay, the closed bracket, 1 by root 7 to 1. Is it true? Yes, sir. Set a given function. Here one thing you should remember, minus 1 is less than 1. If you changing the signs, okay sir, plus 1 is greater than minus 1. True. Similarly, take the reverse. Okay sir. Reverse. If 1 by 2 is less than, okay, less than 2. Is it true? Then take the reverse. Okay sir. 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Reverse side. Okay sir. Then what would be the square root? Okay sir. If 2 is, okay sir, if 1 is less than square root of 2, okay sir, okay, let it be this, okay sir. If 2 is less than of root 5, then root applying, okay, squaring on both sides. Okay sir. 4 is less than 5, less than equal to 5. Okay, so this applies. 4 is less than or equal to less than or 5 or greater than minus 5. Okay, it'll be in the exam that question applies na. We shall discuss that one over there. I hope this, especially I am telling, I am getting some, okay sir, confusion over this range and domain. Okay, but anyway, I am not going to skip this one. This is the most potential topic in for the academic, okay sir, board exams also, computer exams also, and for the graduation and post-graduation research mathematics. Okay, I hope. This is the, okay sir, last, okay sir, this is the problem class based on the periodic function. Okay, next we'll see the what the graph of the function, then remaining periodic function. Okay sir, the whole mathematics I'm telling. Okay, this is only with the following the books only. If can follow me, what I am teaching here right now. Also, this is trigonometric function in the class level mathematics. What they given in this book is the wonderful, sir. This is the basic building for the all your physics problems and mathematical problems. Whatever data, sir, every sign, every value, every number, every single data, single point also. Please understand it, comprehend it, remember it, and proceed to the next problem and next chapter at any cost. I am telling the forcing on this chapter. Okay, only trigonometric function. They given complete the basic to the advanced level for any exams. For your computer exams, the government computer exams, to the graduation computer exam for the graduations also. Anything. This chapter, every topic, every point, every question, every subtopic, every line, every symbol, every sign, okay sir, every minor data. You should understand this, why they given greater than, why they given negative, why they give, add the positive sign, why they give the multiplied, why they divided. Okay sir, if we understand that one, so next class will become very easy, and your graduation becomes also very easy. Your computer exams becomes also almost easy. Okay, this is the conclusion. Okay, thank you for watching. Please comment on the box about my delays, my confusions, okay sir, whatever it may be, whatever my okay, mistake points. So if you understand, if you given the feedback where I am weak, where I am strong, so I can correct it. Okay sir, I can overcome the weak points and I can slow down the strong point to understand the things to be completely. Okay sir, again thank you for watching.